In this video, I'm going to show you how to add accounts to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. So first, let's head on over to the Transactions tab right here and click on Chart of Accounts. It will take us to the Chart of Accounts page where you will see the examples of accounts. So now let's create a new account over here in the red or the green button rather. Then click on the new and so as an example, we'll be creating a liabilities account and you can select where to save your account under. So I'll just pay or I'll just choose long-term liabilities, and the tax forms section is I'll just put in notes payable, and you can also put in an account name. So as an example, I'll be putting in long-term loans, and you can add the description for this account, and over here is where you will be editing the starting date and opening balance. So for our starting date, as an example, we'll be choosing beginning of this year, and you can put in the opening balance of this account. So as an example, I'll be putting in that account, and then just click on save. After that, it will automatically add it to your chart of accounts. And as you can see, it is over here. And that's about it. That's how you add accounts to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.